So guys, I'm gonna show you how to use HatchXR. So first thing is that you have to search your HatchXR. After you search, you'll get HatchXR AR3D ARVR 3D app builder. Click on it. Alright, you must log in here. Have already login. If you want to log out, click on log out. And if you want to see the games which you made, you have to click on your project, my projects. And if you want to edit name, you can edit here. And if you want to edit thumbnail, or you want to delete, or if you want to duplicate this, or if you want to scan the QR code for this, or you want to play it or edit in Edge, you want to edit thumbnail, you must go to new files and do it. You can check the games which you made. No, if you want to make a new game, you have to click on new project. After that, if you want to delete, clone, or rename it, you have to click here. You get the options, and here you can change the position, or if you want any properties, or if you want to add any animations. Same for this display. And this is camera position. How you said you'll able to see like that. Yeah. If you want to add any basic objects like box, cylinder, cone, you can get it from here. If you want any 3D models, you can search and get it from here. If you want any environments, you can click on it and get it from here. If you want any text, you can click and get any 2 text or 3 text, and you can later change the name. I'll show you how to change the name. Uh, Here you have to change the name. And this is lights. This is for adding any sounds, videos, and that. Alright, if you want to check the camera position, is the correct position, or if you want to play the game, you have to go to play mode. But if you want to write the code, you have to go to code section, and this is for adding a new file, and this is for deleting this file, and this is for opening a file manager, and this is for this few code will be you have to just change names like that, which makes your work easier. For each and every line, it won't be, but it will be. Uh, but it will be for a few, which saves your time. And if you want to remove any spaces, you can click on pet file. And if you want transcript and check that do you have any errors, you must click on transcript. And after it, if you don't want this part, you have to open it. Not you can click on here. And if you want to save this part, you must click on publish, or else it won't be saved. Yeah. So hope you like the video. Please do like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next video. Till then, goodbye.